Hello and welcome to my full day of eating 15 weeks out from my first ever bodybuilding show. I'm going to weigh in, do my mandatories, then get right into it. Hope you stick around. Okay, hello. So this is breakfast and my pre-workout meal because I woke up very late. So I have these Simply Nature oatmeal packs. Got them at Aldi's. I throw 2 of these in here. Oh my goodness. I used to use the Quaker oats, just the normal ones without any flavoring. But those were like it was absolutely rough getting those down every day. It was kind of disgusting, to be honest. And then 1 serving of milk. 80 Kcals. Easiest meal ever. Easiest meal. Get a little sturdy. And then straight into the microwave. Next is 3 eggs. I'm a big over easy kind of guy. But make them however you want. Zoop. It's on. What the heck? There we go. Egg. 1, 2, 3. Some pepper. Some salt. Rice cakes. Just the Kcals version. Boom. 1. Boom. 2. And then some organic raspberry preserves. I'm going to do 1 serving on each of them. Take the other spoon. Oh no. Oh, perfect. I thought my oatmeal boiled over. So 1 serving or 20 grams of raspberry jam. Lather it up. And because this is my pre-workout meal, yeah, I'm going pretty heavy on the carbs, as you can see. I'm forgetting about my eggs. Alright, that is 40 grams of this. Get my oatmeal out. Oatmeal. Boom, boom. Alright, very simple meal. I'm also going to add 1 scoop protein powder into the oatmeal. Give it a good stir. What I'm also going to do is add 1 banana to the oatmeal. I'm going for maximum carbs right now because I'm going to lift in about, I want to say an hour and a half. Yeah, probably an hour and a half. I got a good chest day today, so I want as much. Yes, the max carb meal. This is carb up. All right. Nothing pretty. We got the oatmeal with the protein powder and a banana. 2 rice cakes with jam. 3 eggs. Yeah, I'm gonna get these done. Down, down, down. Oh.
So it's probably, I don't know.
Dude, get away from me, Richie. I don't want you to be here.
No, I wanna see this, bro.
No, I feel embarrassed.
I'll introduce you.
Okay, come. It's rolling.
Bro, you made me do something.
Hey guys, welcome back to VJ's Cooking A Day in the Life.
It's already on?
We are going to be making some rice, pork, the classic bodybuilding meal.
Turkey.
Turkey. So let's get into it. Meat in a jar. You guys could write down in the comment section below what your favorite meal is. We'll be doing day in the life eatings
Every week, weekly
on this channel.
Can I move this?
You know, Road to the Bodybuilding Show, August 24th. He's winning 3 gold medals. What else more can I say?
Thank you, Brian. Alright, for this meal. Thank you for the introduction, Brian. It was lovely. For this meal, it's gonna be 90 grams of rice. I lost my rice. Oh, did I forget to bring the rice?
No, I saw the rice.
Oh, okay. Rich, do you have a Brita? That is way. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
I just use the fucking sink water.
No, use this. More. Use this.
Hey, I got some rice.
It says red, but it's fine. I literally just changed the filter.
Okay. What about the rice?
What?
What about the rice? Oh, how? Okay.
No.
Oh. Alright. Rice in, started. That's gonna take like 20 minutes, and that's it for now. Okay. Richie, now I can help you pack. Got my turkey in the Tupperware. I'm gonna do 8 ounces. And wait. Rich! Rich! Seasoning. I need some seasoning. Seasoning, please.
Pork?
What? I looked in there. Turkey.
Bro, this is the first thing.
Oh, no.
The garlic powder. Onion powder?
Yes, please.
What does ground turkey taste like? I've never had it.
I think it tastes like some ground turkey, I'd say. Should I take these home?
Should I take this home? Oh,
How do I open this?
Here.
Wow.
Oh, that's a turkey. This is cool. Oh,
Yes.
I thought it was like some
The turkey is in the pan. You have to turn it around.
Alright, and to finish it up, it is 2 servings of low-fat cheese from Aldi's. Oh, it's just gonna be cheese. It's just gonna be cheese. It's just gonna look like a bowl of cheese.
Bro, how much more cheese are you putting
2
on?
servings of cheese. It's just gonna look like cheese. It just looks like a bowl of cheese right now. I'm gonna warm it up though.
Yeah, this kid's not. He's gonna be fat by the time his show comes around because of how much cheese he's consuming.
It's low-fat cheese.
I don't think that even matters the amount you just put on.
It actually just looks like a bowl of cheese, honestly. It really does. I can't lie. But you know, it tastes good. Cheese is really good. Alright, final meal. It is a turkey rice bowl with some cheese on it, and the macros will be posted above. So I'm gonna eat this in about 2-3 hours, and I'll make the last meal. Last meal is gonna be 8 ounces of pork, 3 large eggs, some kimchi, and I'm gonna cut up half an onion. marinade is going to be some gochujang, some chili paste, dark soy, rice vinegar, and then salt and pepper. And drink the stones. That's the whole bag, yeah? Whole bag. And it's almost perfectly 8 ounces. Oh my goodness. Obviously I teared it with the spoon in, so, but yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so hype. Alright, for the marinade, it's gonna be 1 serving of gochujang. And 1 serving of rice vinegar. Give this a stir. Oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't that look beautiful? And then I'm just gonna let this sit for like maybe 10-15 minutes. Beautiful. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes and throw it on the pan. Okay, so I'm going to finish this and this, and then I'm going to have a glass of milk, but this is by far my favorite meal of the day, so I'm very excited because it is very late and I just want to eat, but yeah, great. Yeah, okay, so finish that meal and I'm going to just have a glass of milk now, which is 80 calories, 13 protein, and then I'm gonna get to sleep. But this is my diet for the next 3 weeks, I think it was. But yeah, when I change it again I'll make another video, but that's what it's gonna be. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you keep watching.